Hey there YouTube, I just wanted to make a quick video about TS2 type 1 signal cabinets, which we are standing in front of today. The quickest way for one to know that they are standing in front of a TS2 type 1 is that there are bus interface units installed not only in the detector racks up above, but also down below in the load bay. Okay? And what bus interface units are is that they're all plugged into a bus interface where all of these components are communicating together. Okay, not unlike a TS2 type 2 cabinet, which we'll show you in another video. The only main difference is that you have these guys down here. Bus interface 1 is talking to all of these load switches and monitoring all of the inputs and outputs of each of these load switches. Bus interface number 2 is this row of load switches. So 1 goes load switch 1 through 8, and then this is 9 through 16, and then this BIU is monitoring all of the inputs and outputs from the detection, as well as this stuff on the back panel, preemption inputs, stop time, flash, all of that kind of stuff is all going through this guy. The MMU as well as the controller have another BIU cable, as well as all of these detector racks. Okay, as you can see here, we have 32 channels of detection, although they're not all being used. Those are being monitored. The MMU is being monitored. All of the status, all of these inputs, what's going on here in the field. As you see, we've got some flashing yellow arrow there. That's why those greens are flashing on 9 and 11. And all of that stuff, all of the information is coming through on the serial bus back to the controller, and the controller is taking a look at all of it basically and verifying that the inputs and outputs are all moving correctly. And so the idea is to provide an environment where the equipment communicates with each other in the cabinet and allows for much more accurate troubleshooting when something does go wrong, right? If we look and on a trouble call or whatever, we pop into this controller and we can take a look at see what's going on. So anyway, that was a quick little video about how a TS2 type 1 cabinet works, and I could go much further into depth, and hopefully I do plan on doing that. Maybe take a look at the prints and show you all of the ins and outs of how this whole cabinet operates. But that's just the basics. And hopefully you like this video. Go ahead and click subscribe and thumbs up and whatever else you have to do. And I'll catch you on the next video.